Does your art ever feel a bit flat, or are your gradients looking patchy and uneven? Creating a sense of depth or smooth transitions can be tricky, but Procreate has 3 powerful blur tools that will give your art a professional, cinematic look instantly. First up is Gaussian Blur. This is the ultimate trick for smoothing out gradients. Just slide your pen to the right to turn messy strokes into a perfect soft transition. Next, we have Motion Blur and Perspective Blur. These are amazing for adding a sense of speed or focus. Motion Blur creates a directional streak. Just move your pen in the direction you want the blur to be in. While Perspective Blur makes objects look like they're zooming toward or away from the viewer. But here's the real secret. For any of these blurs, you can choose brush instead of layer at the top of the screen. This lets you paint the blur exactly where you want it. It's perfect for blurring just the background of a landscape while keeping your main subject perfectly sharp. Whether you're creating misty forests, a sense of movement, or a perfect sunset, the blur tools are a total game changer for adding atmosphere. If you found this quick tip helpful, let me know in the comments. Or come and join me at Patreon to get your Procreate skills to the next level and find more than 250 drawing and painting tutorials.